This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about placemats, specifically these Spinweave round placemats. They have a 15-inch diameter and they're semi-disposable, meaning you can use them until they're damaged, and when you're done, just give them a toss. They're available in 6 colors, and we have here the cerulean blue, but you also have the option of green, gray, sky blue, pink, and red. They're a hand-woven paper design that's going to help protect your tables from damage while also giving your place settings a nice, attractive flair. They're made of a durable paper that allows them to be reused numerous times, and once they get damaged, you can simply give them a toss. The Spinweave design creates an elegant look and feel without 2 placemats having the exact same pattern, adding subtle interest and variety to your place settings. They're perfect for cafes, restaurants, catered events, or even your dining room at home for an upscale yet disposable option.